always have to undermine everything I do, Martha. I try to do something new and interesting, and you're always there to ruin it. Are you jealous of my ambition?
Jealous? Are you kidding? Stop turning this on me. Maybe I would support your decisions if they were less reckless, Daryl. But you're just too irresponsible.
So I do one little rubber pig, and that's irresponsible?
Yes, that was a terrible idea.
Well, I say it takes courage to rob a bank, but you would know nothing about that.
I was a clinical drug tester before I met you. Living a life of danger and bravery. Now I'm stuck cleaning up after this.
Oh yeah? What's that supposed to mean?
All right, calm down. Someone's at the door.
I am calm!
Well, answer it.
Okay.
Excuse me, Mr. and Mrs. Clemens?
Yeah?
Hello, neighbor. Good to see you again. What brings you here?
I don't mean to disturb you, but I couldn't help but hear some loud noises coming from here.
Noises from here? Huh.
Yeah, almost like some kind of dying animal.
Honey Buns, you heard my dying animal.
Everything is fine and dandy over here, neighbor.
Listen, I think you two are nice people.
Did you hear that, honey? We're nice people. Nice people take responsibility for their actions.
That's us, all right.
Uh-huh, so if you could please keep it down, I would appreciate it. Normally, I wouldn't say anything, but I'm trying to concentrate on my yoga and meditations. I'm trying to master the one or two pose. And I need reasonable silence to properly channel my chai.
Duly noted. Good luck with that one or two pose. Bye-bye now.
Classic Daryl. Always dodging responsibility.
Oh, enough with picking out my flaws.
First, you rob a bank. Now, you can't admit for having an out-of-control temper.
My temper is totally manageable.
You're like a snake in a can whenever somebody mentions your know what. And it's embarrassing.
Oh yeah? My you know what? Try me. Say it.
Your secret collection of Mickey Mouse figurines.
You said you were okay with my secret collection of Mickey Mouse figurines.
I always hated your secret collection of Mickey Mouse figurines, and I'm sick of having to hide it.
You're my wife. Why don't you leave sweet and encouraging notes in my lunchbox like a normal wife?
You are so dead. Coming!
Excuse me.
Hello, neighbor. Is there a problem?
I can still hear you yelling. Don't try to deny it. I'm trying to keep my inner peace. I really am. I am calm, like a cozy fireplace with a fire extinguisher nearby. But if you don't keep it down, I'm gonna have to call the police. Because this is just ridiculous.
I'm sorry. We'll try to keep it down. Besides, there's nothing more to discuss. So why don't you shut your mouth and go Warrior 2 pose in your sad, lonely house? Good day! As for you...
Whoa.
What? What do you have to say for yourself?
Nothing. It's just that you really show me that nosy neighbor who's boss.
Yeah, well, I guess I'm just fired up from all this drama.
You know, you're pretty smoking when you're upset.
Oh, stop it. You just call me smoking because I'm mad at you.
How mad are you? Do you want me to tickle? Do you want to tickle me?
Maybe I do want to tickle you. After all, you put me through today.
Why don't we go upstairs and we can get revenge after all my rob a bank?
We can try the Warrior 2 pose position.
That was weird.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Oh my god. No, it's okay. It was just acting. It was just acting.
Like, what?
I'm not gay. I'm not.
No, it's okay.
That friggin' sexy music, though.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm so embarrassed.
Oh, hold on. This is a drastic turn real fast.
Oh my god. That was...
But hey, that was fun.
That was
Yeah,
fun.
that was.
Oh my god, okay.